Good morning. I slept very well last night. It is a beautiful morning. Good morning, everyone. I feel happy and fresh today. Let's start this beautiful morning together. I like to stretch every morning. It helps my body wake up. Now I feel ready for the day. Today is a beautiful morning. I feel happy and full of energy. Now I will start my daily routine. I feel fresh this morning. Now I am going to wash my face. A new day is beginning. I wash my face every morning. Clean water helps me feel fresh. Now I am ready for the next step. My face is clean now. I feel fresh and comfortable. This is a good start to my day. My face feels clean and fresh. I am ready for a wonderful day. Now let's make some tea. I make my bed every morning. A tidy room feels nice and clean. Small habits make a big difference. Now my bed looks neat and tidy. Everything is in the right place. I am ready to start my day. What a beautiful morning. The fresh air feels wonderful. I love starting my day like this. The world looks so peaceful this morning. I feel happy and refreshed. Today is going to be a wonderful day. Now I am in the kitchen. I would like a warm cup of tea. Let's start making breakfast. The water is getting hot now. Soon I can make a nice cup of tea. I really enjoy this quiet morning. Now I am making my morning tea. A warm cup of tea always makes me feel relaxed. This is my favorite part of the morning. My morning is off to a wonderful start. I feel calm, happy, and ready for the day. Thank you for spending this morning with me.